students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn EVS. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is EVS 1, Standard 4th, and the name of the lesson is The Life Cycle of Animals. Look at this puppy and its mother. Look at this kitten and its mother cat. Look, this is a calf and the mother elephant. And you can see here cubs and tigress. Yes, dear students, do you see some similarities between the young ones and their adults? Yes, we will go through one example here. Observe the calf and the mother elephant. The calf has a trunk and mother too has a long trunk. Calf has broad ears and mother too has two broad ears. Calf has 4 legs. Mother also has 4 legs. Right? Calf has 2 small eyes and a tail. Mother too has 2 small eyes and a tail. Means we can see so many similarities between the young one and the adult one. Same in the case of puppy and the dog, kitten and the cat, and cubs and the tigress. Here also we can see so many similarities, isn't it? Here you can see a young one of a frog. See, this is the young one of the frog. Here we cannot see any similarities. We will compare these two. See the young one that is called as tadpole. Remember the name tadpole. Tadpole has a tail, but frog does not have a tail. Tadpole has a slender body and see the body and shape of the frog. Tadpole does not have any legs, but the adult frog has 4 legs. Means we cannot see any similarities between the tadpole and the frog. One more example we will see. This is the caterpillar or larva, and this is the young one of butterfly. See the shape and the structure of the butterfly and see the structure and shape of the caterpillar. Do you see any similarities between these two? The body of the caterpillar is slender and elongated and it has so many legs, isn't it? It cannot fly, it eats leaves. But what about the butterfly? Butterfly has 2 beautiful broad wings, 6 legs, and a small body, and it sucks the nectar of the flowers. So it is the young one is totally different from the adult butterfly. Got this, students? We will study about these in detail in the next slides. Observe these animals. Here, these animals that give birth to young one. Here, the babies of these animals grow in their mother's tummy and are born from the mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay eggs. Now we will go through the animals that lay eggs. See here, the housefly, the turtle, fish, hen, salamander means the lizard family, okay, ant, pigeon, spider, frog, snake, penguin. Yes, dear students, all these animals, including the insects, they lay eggs. Ants, butterflies, fish, frog, snakes are all animals that lay eggs, correct? But we do not often see their eggs. The eggs of small animals are very tiny. We would hardly notice them. So, we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs. But we know for sure that a hen lays eggs, isn't it? Her eggs are big enough to be easily seen. A hen lays eggs and warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So, after laying them, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. We will see this. Yes, students, in the first picture, you can see the hen is hatching her eggs. Means when a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. Okay, in the second picture, the chick inside slowly keep growing. Okay, and when its growth is complete, the chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. In the third picture, the grown chick we can see, and this procedure needs 20 to 22 days, means from the egg to the chick. Now you can see here the grown up chicks, they break the shell and they comes out. The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. She takes total care of her chicks. She protects her chicks from the predators and she trains them to live. We can see here hen and many chicks, right? Can you see any similarities between the hen and her chicks? Observe carefully. Yes, we can see so many similarities between the chicks and hen, correct? The hen has a beak, the chicks also has the beak. They have feathers like their mother and they too have two legs like their mother. Means the shape may be a small but they are similar. Isn't it? The chicks came out from the eggs, then also they look like their mother. Now see this. This is a caterpillar and this is a butterfly. You can see two insects here. And you know that caterpillar is the young one of the butterfly, isn't it? This is a plain tiger butterfly, which is very common one. Let us take its example to see how the growth of a butterfly takes place. Okay? The life cycle of plain tiger butterfly. Okay, we will study now. Here, the life cycle of a butterfly is called as metamorphosis and it has different stages. There are 4 stages in metamorphosis. We will study one by one. See, dear students, here the first one means butterflies lays eggs. Okay, egg is the first stage. Larva or the caterpillar is the second stage. Pupa or chrysalis is the third stage. And the adult butterfly is the fourth stage. Got this? Here, egg stage remains for 6 to 8 days. And the caterpillar stage is about 10 to 12 days. And in the pupa stage, about 11 to 12 days. And then it becomes adult butterfly. Okay? Students, this is a female plain tiger butterfly. Okay? And this female plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on the milkweed leaf. Milkweed means rui in Marathi, rui. Okay? It remains as it is for 6 to 8 days. Means larva is growing inside the egg. After 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. You can see here, it is eating the outer covering of the egg and it emerges out. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. Caterpillar differ in shape and size. This is the second stage, isn't it? First stage is eggs and second stage is larva or caterpillar stage. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast, so its growth is very rapid. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin, that is, it molts. The caterpillar molts 3 to 4 times. Got this? Then, just before the last molt, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. When it molts, this time it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. Isn't it? That is the third stage. The pupa of a butterfly is also called as chrysalis. inside the chrysalis for the next 11 to 12 days. It does not eat anything during this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes takes place in its body. The growth of the plain tiger gets completed inside the chrysalis. See here, the growth is completed and it is coming out from the pupa. Then the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. Now it has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. Dear students, all butterflies go through these stages of growth. This is the last stage, means this is the 4th stage. Metamorphosis. We will read this. In some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called as metamorphosis. I hope you understand the meaning of the metamorphosis. We studied the life cycle of the butterfly, right? Here, the young one is known as caterpillar, which is totally different from the adult butterfly. So, the life cycle of the butterfly is called as metamorphosis. See, here we will, once again we will go through the summary of this one. Metamorphosis, that is the life cycle of butterfly, has 4 stages. The first one is egg, second stage is caterpillar, third stage is chrysalis or pupa stage, and the 4th one is the adult butterfly. Okay? All the insects and all the butterflies mostly go through all these 4 stages. Yes, dear students, one more example we will go through. This is not in your textbook. I am going to give you for the extra knowledge. Okay. Simply I will give you the summary of this. Now this is the life cycle of a frog. Here also we can see the metamorphosis of a frog. The first stage, you know that eggs. The adult frog, adult female frog keeps the eggs or lays the eggs. Okay, there are so many numbers. This is the first stage, and second stage is embryo develops inside the egg. This is the second stage. Third stage is tadpole stage. See this. This looks like a fish. It has a tail. It is the young one of the frog. See the difference? We cannot match the tadpole in shape and size with the adult frog. Correct? Now 4th one is the tadpole with 2 legs. See, only 2 hind legs we can see here. Then also it looks like a fish only. Then the next 5th stage is here the tadpole with 4 legs. Right? And 6th is young frog. See the tail. And the 4 legs, they became strong, and we can see the shape and size similar to the mother adult frog. Later on the tail disappears when it becomes adult frog. Yes, dear students, this is the life cycle of a frog. Now our lesson is over. Now we will go through what we have learned. Some animals give birth to their young ones. We will take example here: cat, dog, tiger. elephant, etc. Some animals lay eggs. For example, hen, all birds, butterflies, then lizard, snakes, penguin, etc. The eggs of some animals are so tiny that we would hardly notice them. For example, fish, flies, mosquitoes, etc. A hen lays the eggs and sits on them to hatch. The grown chick breaks the shell and comes out. Egg, caterpillar or larva, chrysalis or pupa, and adult are 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. The adult butterfly has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings, isn't it? I hope you have understood full lesson. Always remember this. Butterflies are a part of our environment. It is wrong to catch butterflies just for fun and to keep them tied with a string. Right? They too have the right to live. Correct? So please don't do like this. Let them live happily. Okay? Now dear students, on page number 6, some exercise part is there. Try to answer these. Okay, there are answer in brief, true or false, and fill in the blanks are there. Please search the answer and get it done. Thank you.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.